Hi YouTube, this is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, coming at you with a Dollar Tree haul. Well, one of the questions that I'm always asked when I create my two-tier trays or a vignette or my coffee bar is, where did I get a sign or where did I purchase something? A lot of the time I am DIYing some of my signs, but I don't like for them to look like DIY signs. I like for them to look custom and homemade, but not homely. Y'all feel me? Like, I want it to look nice. And a lot of the times when we try to do some of these projects on Pinterest, even some of these ones on YouTube, we have like these epic fails. Well, mine are fail proof. It's like, you can't mess up a lot of my DIYs. So enough about that. Let me show you what I bought. And I do have a couple of things from Target that I want to show you guys that I picked up as well. Because this is about signs, I'm just gonna show you a lot of I pick up a lot of wooden pieces, which they tend to look high end. If you look at this leaf, and at this leaf, they're totally different. This one is more grainy, and that's why I picked this one up, and this one is not, which is not bad, but that's something to look at. When you look at most high-end wood pieces, they have a little bit of texture to them, so that's why I picked up those. I also picked up one pumpkin because that's all they had left at my store. So if you see any pumpkins, be sure to pick them up because they do make cute signs. Christmas is starting, so I found these two gingerbread men, which they are super cute. I have a super cute idea for them, so can't wait to show you guys that. I picked up gingerbread houses, and they are different. This one has the actual door. This one does not. This one has the windows. This one does not. So I picked up both. I don't know which one I'm gonna like better, but I think I have an idea for a vignette for this particular item. So, and y'all know I love me some gingerbread. I picked up a couple of Christmas trees, which they're really cute. I have some ideas in mind for this one as well. Picked up a couple of these, which these are snowflakes, which are really, really, really cute. I picked up a star, which is universal. You can always use a star. Some other things that I picked up from Dollar Tree are these accent DIY stickers. I know y'all see these all the time, but these are stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. These as well with the star and the trees and the snowflakes. Really, really cute. And they are stickers, which I think that's really unique. And you can always take the stickers off and hot glue them on if you want to, depending on what kind of sign you're making. I love the little mitts and the candy canes and the little stockings, which is really, really cute. I'm not telling y'all prices because y'all know these are all $1, right? So everything is $1. So these are ornaments, but I always stock up on these every year, this is a pumpkin one. I got 2 bags of those, and they come in sets of 5. These come in sets of 5. I've purchased some leaves. This is sets of 5 as well. I got an owl, which is 5 of these. More leaves. I got a bell for Christmas. I picked up these ornaments with the little stars in them. I think these are really cute. These snowflakes, which I think are super cute. So cute that I was like, you know what? I need to go back and get some more because I really like this snowflake. And I have these snowflakes. They are super, super cute. I have these Christmas trees. I also purchased these trees. They're different. This one has holes in it, and this one does not. I have these stockings, which I purchased 2 packs of these. And I love these little signs. They are perfect for tier trays. Just a little arrow. I just think they're so cute. So that's all that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, in the Target dollar spot, they also have cute stuff, which I picked up these. And I have a DIY for this one as well for the fall. I picked up this, which is called Table Scatter, but it easily can be used on a sign if you wanted to. I found these little books with little stencils. Right. And what Target tends to do, they have like an acorn, apple, pie, pumpkin, leaf, turkey. And what Target tends to do is to coordinate. Everybody knows that Target coordinates their papers. That's a pretty paper. That green plaid is really cute in that. Another reason why I picked it up. These are the pumpkins that Target has put out, and they kind of made this paper to match those. And I like this one as well. So I will be doing DIYs on those as well. And today in Target, y'all, it's well worth the money to me. But I found this sign, which I think is a wonderful investment. You can make such a pretty sign using this. I like this, and it is $5. So this is the most expensive thing I picked up. But I hope you guys got some ideas. Get your juices flowing. We're gonna get to DIYing this year. We're gonna make our house look homey and cozy because we've all been into this COVID-19 thing, so we're getting to look cozy. I'm gonna be making beads, show you how I make my beads. Not fancy, not hard, easy. The easy way that I do it. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what you think, and have a great day. Bye!